T-Rex, nice. You want to see a T-Rex?
Yeah.
Come here, I'll show you a T-Rex.
Yeah.
I've got a T-Rex on one of my Frisbees.
Ah.
Is that a T-Rex?
Yeah.
Yep. Hey, Sammy, you want to see this kid launch? Hey, Sammy. Hey, Sammy, you want to see this fly? You want to see it fly in the lake? Yeah, look at the rainbow. Oh, that is sweet.
Look at that.
Dude, it's coming right down here.
That's why the land looks so weird back there, because of the rainbow.
Are you getting that on tape?
What?
Oh, man.
Yeah.
That's such a shitty
See the
crappy
rainbow?
disc.
I want to do that.
Oh, that's a floater, too.
I want to do that.
I never throw it. The average weight's like a 170 gram. That's like a 155.
No, don't
I
throw
pounded it. It's a
Frisbee,
piece
honey.
of crap.
No, those are Luke's Frisbees. I don't know if
End of a rainbow is? I've never seen one so close.
there's a gold pot of gold and a left behind.
I don't see it no more.
Yeah, you can still. Oh, you're right. Shit.
That was sweet though. It came shooting down right over here. I wonder where that Frisbee went. Oh, just hit Charlie. No, no, no.
That's that. That's what that is. Batteries are dead. You got batteries?
Chad, stop stealing the kid's thunder.
I thought my W was more important.
Yeah.
Hey, Trotter, are these your glasses here?
Oh, yeah. Throw it in there. Charlie, throw it in the basket. Slam dunk.
Slam dunk, baby. Yeah. Shack attack.
Watch it.
Whoa.
Jeez.
You already pegged him once.
Oh, this are hard, too. Don't hit Charlie, Sam. Don't hit Charlie. Here's that a lot.
Bang the
Funny,
change.
Charlie's got kind of like a big head, and he doesn't realize that he has a head at all, let alone a big one. He constantly rams it into things.
You're right.
You can see it too. He's like, oh, Charlie, you have a head.
Hey, show me America's Funniest Home Video. I want $10,000. Do something.
Throw it in there, Charlie. Charlie, throw it in the basket. No, throw it from there. Down.
Double deuce. That's a challenger. Oh, yeah. Slam dunk. Fumble, loose ball. Charlie's got it. He's heading for the end zone.
Sam, you let him do that too?
Yeah.
You let him plunk it down like that?
Fumble. Who's got it? They're clearing the pile out. It's Sammy's ball. Wait, no, it's Charlie's ball.
Charlie.
No, it's Sam's ball.
It's Sam's turn.
No.
Yeah, it's Sam's turn.
No.
He's posting him up. He's posting him up. Get him, Charlie, get him. Get him.
Take him down.
Get him, little duckling.
Take out his knees.
Quack, 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 quack.
He's on a mission.
Charlie, turn around and go the other way. You'll get him.
Way.
Yeah, this is easy.
Charlie. Other way. He's caught up with you.
Turn around, Charlie, turn around.
Who's chasing who?
Who's chasing who here?
Hey, look, I got the Frisbee.
Oh, there you go.
There we are.
And then,
I got it.
Hey, look, I got a frisbee.
Brooks says he reminds him of that skit from Mad TV, Stewart character.
Yeah, yeah. Hey, how you doing?
Look at me. He always does that.
Hey, Sam, I gotta ask you one more time. How old are you? How old are you? That a boy.
He's gonna be 4.
Oh. Baby.
Did you guys have a bonfire last night?
What do you think you're doing, little critter? What, you throw 'em at me now? You got a problem, Mike? Where's Uncle Ralph at? Oh. Touchdown!
Who hit that ball?
Wind probably blew it. It was real windy.
What's that one say?
That disc has had many owners, and it's seen many days.
Throw it.
If you're gonna hit Charlie, hit him with that disc, because it's the softest.
Says what? I can hit people with this?
Hey, what's up, Pee-wee?
I get 6 bucks.
What's up, Dumpling? Let's analyze the swing. Tiger Woods ain't got nothing on Chad.
I want to throw the dinosaur one. I want to throw a dinosaur one. I want to throw a dinosaur one.
Okay.
See the problem there? Chad's got big childbearing hips, and when he swings them back, there's a lot more inertia. Did you just say you pulled it?
Your purse. Why are you doing that to me? Well, stop British accent, buddy. Want me to spray it on you?
Don't be a vagina. Let's go. Chad's got to put on his body spray, his axe. It's got to smell good before he shoots every shot. Now watch how his problem now, how he pulls his hips. You see how he pulls his hips? Now we're gonna catch Chimpy from a different angle here. That was a bunch of crap. Oh, and he doesn't like that shot. Miss! I shouldn't have done that, man. If you would have whipped that thing would have hit me.
It's like a hit. I can't even see.
Come here, Charlie.
I saw it.
It rolled over that way.
Now we're gonna get another angle here.
Still got that cigarette butt for you. But yes, hold on you.
What?
Where'd that go? Where's the boat? Oh!
Whoa, that was a high one.
Wait, this stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me.
Oh, okay, yeah, that way. That's good. That's good. Yay!
Look at this one. It's a cool.
It is. What color is it?
It's that one.
Okay, let's get the one. Where's the tiger?
Where's it?
Where's the tiger one?
What's up, Cupcake?
Can we play badminton in a little bit?
Hey there, Sugar Britches.
Can we play badminton in a little bit?
We'll see, bud, okay? Let me get on tape.
Oh, yeah, he's swinging right at it.
No, don't throw it that way.
Yeah, remember? Only in the basket. Go get him. Sammy, you have to go get that one, bud. You can. Go get that one right
Put that one on the pig.
I'll get this one.
It's absolute Shandemonium. Oh, yeah.
Hey, what's that jar?
Look out for the macho man. Oh, yeah, baby.
No, I did not.
Get you.
Woman.
Good.